Hi, all. After COVID 19, the world has changed. We must be prepared to live with the virus. Due to the COVID 19 pandemic, we are experiencing vast changes across the world in how we live, work, and interact with one another. All our lives has been affected. At first, we were in a stage of feeling the importance of survival. We were panicked, scared of the uncertainty. We were glued to the news, worried about everything. We were making sure we have enough basic needs like food, water, shelter, and feel secured. Then we started to make sense of the situation. We became less stressed. We started to adapt to the changes. We adjusted routines in our life, started to create activities. Our feelings also changed. Now we accept it by creating a new routine, noticing little things, counting the days, longing for life to get back to normal, and finding new ways of dealing with the challenges. Let us consider what we learned. It has impacted every facet of our life. There came an unforeseen global crisis which affected the global economy. There were restrictions on traveling, slowing of the manufacture and supply of products, losses in business. COVID 19 is considered as the most crucial global health calamity. There were difficulties in maintaining the quality of healthcare services, challenges in the diagnosis and treatment, overload on doctors and other healthcare professionals. We need a global unity and effort to defeat it, for which herd immunity is a solution. That means a large proportion of the population either should get infected or should get a successful protective vaccine. In the worst case, the virus may infect many people in a few months, or in the best case, we maintain current levels of infection until a successful vaccine becomes available. That is, a prolonged and united effort will be required to prevent further infection until a vaccine is developed. There were cancellation of gatherings, sports, tournaments. There were closure of religious places and cancellation of cultural, religious, and festival events. Hotels, restaurants, movie theaters, sports clubs, gymnasiums, swimming pools, schools, colleges, and working places all remained closed. Examinations were postponed. But the environment is happy. There are less carbon emissions and waste, and saved wildlife habitat and saved energy. It seems nature had pressed reset button. The world is healing. Change is an inevitable part of life, but hard to accept and appreciate even if the results are positive. Now let us think about the future. This COVID 19 has changed our daily lives. So consider new ways of living. Start to look ahead to what you want life to be like, what you don't want to go back to, and what parts of normal life weren't actually working for you. Consider which parts of normal are worth rushing back to. Here's an opportunity to make change. It's time for something new. Never let a good crisis go to waste. Discover what gives life. The first step in making significant changes in your life is to determine what changes you want to make. Find your life purpose. Dream what might be. All achievement and progress begins with a dream. Unless you have a dream, you will never see it become a reality in your life. Design what should be the ideal. Look ahead and let the end design the beginning. Destiny what will be. Set goals. Eventually, you will end up where you need to be, with who you are meant to be with, and doing what you should be doing. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Keep calm and think limitless. Dream big. Thank you so much.